how to redeem your Minecraft gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem your Minecraft gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem Minecraft gift card, all you have to do is just open up your browser and then you simply want to come to minecraft.net. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. Once you come to minecraft.net, by the way, if you are on PC, you will see an option on the top right hand side, but if you are using it on mobile, just tap on the three lines icon from the top left hand side of the screen, and then here you will find the option called redeem. Right, just tap on the redeem option, and basically when you tap on the redeem option, it will take you to a page where you can redeem your Minecraft tokens. Now depending upon what kind of gift card you have, right, this is redeem Minecraft Java and Bedrock edition for PC, right? If you scroll down, you have redeem Minecraft for Java edition. If you have a Java edition gift card, you have to click on this option. If you have Minecraft Realms Plus for Xbox and Windows 10, just enter this code. If you have Minecraft Creator Series code, enter them here. Depending upon what kind of gift card you have, you just want to make sure to enter the code, and if the code that you entered is actually correct, you can just tap on the submit button and your gift card will be successfully redeemed. And that's all it takes to redeem your Minecraft gift card. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.